Okay, I think I am live. Hello, everyone. This is Amy Chrysler again. I am live coming to you from Alberta, Canada, and the time here is 3:19 p.m. 3:19 in the afternoon. So I'm just thinking to go live this afternoon. Uh, my shift is later, so I have time to build my business, my online business, my flexibility. This is the flexible online business. So, so people that know my page, I'm the owner of this page, Ames Digital Biz. I'm a working wife and a senior home. And at the same time, I'm building this side hustle, um, this online business. Okay, so before that, so I'm thinking to go live today because I wanted to share something about kind of I reflect myself. So hopefully you can learn for me today as well. So if you have any question, just comments presence, and I can help you with that. If you can relate this live, you can reach out to me. If it's not for you, that's okay. You can skip as well. So the thing that I want to share today, hopefully you can relate. It's like a father. It was about a father who uh, keep postponing his child important events because he wanted to focus on getting promoted at work. And in his journal, he wrote his goal very clearly, like get promoted, buy a car, buy a house, travel with a family. Do you think why family is the last on the list, right? So we will find out later. It's kind of I notice myself on the screen that my speaking is kind of weird, but it's okay. So he believed that if he worked harder now, he could give them a better life later. But and finally, the promotion came. But when his family wanted to celebrate, he said next time. Why next time? Because when we promoted, now we're manager, uh, we told our family for sure you can experience this or you can relate. Uh, you have the title, so I have to work hard now because I have the title. You have promoted. Usually, that's our mindset. We will we forgot what we said before to our family, so we forgot that. We just say, um, I promoted now. I have to work hard. Maybe next time we can go travel. So, so as I mentioned, years pass. He achieved the title, the salary there, the things he plans for. But you forget that your children grow up, right? He had everything on the paper, but he missed the moments that cannot be repeated. So when I see this, I ask myself, what is the real cause of success? A good a job is good, promotion is good, being responsible is good. I respect hard work. I respect parents who sacrifice. But sometimes we get so focused on climbing what we forget to look around and ask, who am I missing while I'm chasing this? Because time does not wait. Childhood does not pause. Life keep moving even when we are busy, right? So I'm not against having a job. A job feeds the family. Do you agree? For sure, right? So it builds discipline. But we also have to be honest. Many of us are building someone else's dream. We give our best hours to our work, our energy, our presence because we have that promotion. And I can relate that. I do that myself too. And sometimes at the end of the day, we are too tired to give the best of us to the people we love. For example, you're working too hard, you have family waiting for you, and yeah, for sure you're tired. You just tell your kids, just stay there. I'll be right back. Or I'm so tired from work. Could you please wait for me? Could you wait tomorrow? I can do that. I can help you. So companies can replace position, but our family cannot replace us. So for sure you're gonna agree with me, right? So that is one the reason why I started exploring an online business and to help shy introverted. I'm shy introverted, but I do this because I see um, the reality. Um, Not because I hate working, not because I want shortcuts, but because I wanted options. I wanted to build something that belongs to me, something that can grow quietly in the background while I still live my life. You know what I mean? So, something that allows me to design my schedule with more intention instead of always adjusting to someone else. So, that's why I wanted to share this online business. Does not mean you quit your job tomorrow. It means you start planting something small. So you learn, you grow, you build step by step so that one day um, you are not forced to choose between promotions and presence. You can build income and still be there for the moments that matter, right? So the real lesson for me is this: success should include presence. It should include memories. It should include time because one day your children will not remember your job title. They will remember if you show up for them, right? So if this message makes you reflect, maybe it is not about making a big decision today. Maybe it is just about asking yourself, am I building a life that I will be proud of in the 5 years? And if you are curious about creating more flexibility, um, through something online, you can reach out and ask. There is no pressure, just options. Sometimes different futures start with one small step decision to explore, and that's not wrong. So, hopefully, it will help to my viewers. So if you have any question to start this online business, we have a free webinar every Tuesday and Thursday, sorry, around 6 p.m. Mountain Time, MST, and or you can visit my website www.amesbnc.com. Thank you so much, everyone. That's it for me for today, and have a wonderful week. Bye for now.